I will be showing you today how to make spacer paper beads like this one. The spacers, as you know, are used to put in between your beads like an accent. So I would like to try and use them with the nail polish as the coat instead of just glue or paint. This kind of nail polish, it's kind of like has a sheen to it, like transparent, but it also has the golden color. What you need, the kind of paper that you need will be a heavier cardstock paper. Now this one, I actually just cut it off from this pastry box. So I just got a little piece from it because you don't need it to be really long. You just need this much, this amount of paper. For maybe you can get like 12 spacer beads out of this one. So I already marked them like this. They're 1/4 of an inch apart, so that is a smaller, when you want to make smaller beads. But because this paper is thicker, then you would have then the result will be like this. It will not be a small bead, but spacer bead. So I already cut a few strips. These are the strips that I cut from here. So what you need to do first is you would use your metal roller, and I would use the bamboo part to condition the paper like this. Make it curl up so that way it would be easy to roll. So in the beginning you have this, and this part you would roll it between your fingers like this. Sometimes you don't get it the first time. You do it again, and the second time usually the paper is already conditioned to roll with in this roller. Like this. So now this is different from the other tutorials that we have, where I would want you to just put the glue on the last 2 inches of the bead. In this project, you would need to put glue not right in the beginning, but after you rolled the base part, then you would want to put glue on it so that way it will hold. The reason being, this is a thicker paper, so for it to be tight, it needs to be glued after the base part. You don't have to worry about it sticking into the metal because it won't. It would still be easy to take out. So I'm using Mod Podge for gluing, or any kind of tacky glue would be good. So just rolling and putting glue. At this point, if you choose to, you can already take out your roller and roll it with your hand. So you just want to make sure that it is in the middle. So when I have this much left, what I do is I just stick it into the jar of glue. That way I want to make sure that it's everything gets the glue, every part of the paper I mean. And you need to have a cloth like this because it can get messy. So now we're almost at the end of it. You need a toothpick. And now you have your bead. So you need to let it dry a little bit, but I'm just going to show you right now, even if it's not dry, to paint it with your nail polish color of choice. I prefer this one because it has like a pearl essence to it, a pearl sheen to it. So now after this is dried, you can put your top coat, which is the diamond glaze or the Mod Podge, or just the clear nail polish on top of it, or you don't have to put anything. So there is your spacer bead, and I actually made quite a few of them. I'm planning on making a bracelet or a necklace with them. I think they will look pretty with pearls and some crystals.